Go on.
I never know what's going on. Am I standing, sitting? I don't know.
Oh, it's Jamaican.
Yeah, Bumbo Cloud. Where are you?
Wait. I love your Jamaican accent.
For real? Give me a 360. Give me a 360. God damn.
Cold. She belongs to the street.
Wait. Jamaican. You're a liar.
No English.
Shut up! You're a liar!
No
You're a
English.
liar! I know you speak English, sir.
Which part?
You do.
Which part of me speak English?
You're
Me not speak English. Where you talk about? Me not lie, you look good still.
You're speaking.
You look good still, me not
I
lie.
swear he just spoke English.
You know?
Yeah, you're lying. You're lying.
You look good.
You're lying. You're
You
lying.
look good.
I'm
You
in
want
love
some?
with you.
Me. She want me bad.
You look good. Me not lie.
He doesn't speak English, okay?
Where you talk about? Bad bitch. Where go on? Where go on? Let me see you now.
You got a strong ass accent, my nigga. I can't understand your ass.
I'm Jamaican. Me a Jamaican woman. You see me?
Strong ass accent. God damn.
Me a Jamaican. What you want me to say?
I can see that.
Yeah, so me see you now. I wanna see you. Why you hiding,
Not
bro?
right now.
Why not?
Because I want to show my face right now.
Jan Monster. You must look good to you.
Huh?
You say you must look good too.
I will hope so.
Let me see you. Like, I don't know where you hide from. Oh, wait, me look. I saw my ugly. God damn.
Are you playing with me?
Man, what me I play with it for? But I want to play with it, yes. In my bedroom.
Accent situation.
Why you like me accent?
I do, but like, I don't understand you.
Me can teach. I can teach you. Yeah, me can teach you all the things you need. Isn't it? Yeah, me can teach you, isn't it? For real. Yeah. So me get an Instagram then. You have Instagram?
My boyfriend got my account.
Me get a number then, baby. Him not to find out to me. Me get a number then, mama. Him not to know. I can call you and she whisper in her ears and say, baby, you know, so me. Isn't me? Brawly.
Okay.
Yeah. The boy not to find out, you know.
Huh?
Him not to find out.
Say it again.
Him not to find out. The boyfriend not to find out, isn't me? Just me and you. You get me, answer?
Come on, man. That's too easy.
For real, more answer. Where I do? Why you look like you're red pan a hood? Why? Why you moving like that?
I'm having cramps, so I'm moving back and forth.
You having what?
Cramps.
That look weird. Nah, like, mama,
I'm moving back and forth, so like I'm in a position, a
Show me.
comfortable position.
show me. Show me what you doing.
I'm not doing nothing.
Show me what you doing. I don't
Back
trust
and
you.
forth. I'm moving back and forth.
Your back is arched.
Barely.
Don't make me act up. You don't make me do something I'm gonna regret.
I'm just on my knees.
Bomba clot, she dip on her knee. I can't trust her. I'm not like. I can't trust her. I'm not like. I'm not trust her.
I'm not doing nothing.
So like, are you thick or like slim thick or some shit?
I posted my body literally like 10 minutes ago, and someone texted me on something.
Do you not have your number? I don't have your Instagram and all that shit, so I don't know.
I guess I'm thick because someone texted me.
Let me see.
Let you see what?
Let me see.
You want to see my body?
Well, I'm cute. I'm curious. I'm very curious. Enlighten me, like for real.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll go sneeze. Shit. You have the goodies that I stand up. Stand up, yeah. Well, go on.
Yo, come on. No. Cause we're just looking. You look at alien. Hey, now you always being rude. I'm not being mean. It's just like people do though. Like, I'm gonna sit here and silence, or I'm gonna scare, or I'm gonna do. I don't know.
Come give me some. Watch out, tap it nice now. Come give me some pussy dog on top of dog. You see me? Yeah.
Bitch, alien, shut the fuck up, alien, bitch. You speak a different language. You don't speak English.
English, me a chat. You tell a stupid ass friend. Tell a stupid ass friend when I can't see her tap it just blood. Tap it nice. Chat too much, man.
Girl, he fucking. I don't know what the fuck you saying. No, he speak English. He over here playing and fucking lying.
Me a Jamaican, you blind? You can't see.
Oh, never mind. He don't speak English. Let me come on my translator.
You talk too much,
Where you from? Oh, it's like you talk too much shit. Hey, bitch, talk too motherfucking little bitch with that ugly alien ass, bitch. I'm tired of this whole smoking, bitch. Your ugly alien ass, bitch. You ugly as fuck, bitch.
You calling me ugly and
I should have.
Bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey.
Mama.
What one?
Can't look in your ear, them.
What one, man?
What one, man? Yo, man, I know you're sexy, you know. Don't me come beat your ass, yeah. Don't me come beat you. Yeah. What you look like?
Me there.
You there?
Yeah, real Jamaican.
Yeah, real Jamaican, man. I want to live in your belly like a crab, man.
Yes, real Jamaican. What one, man?
What one? You feel me? So I'm seeing you, woman. I'm seeing you.
Yes.
Let me see what's like. Why you hiding?
What am I hiding?
Yeah, I want to see you.
Well, basically, I'm bald.
Lie at him.
I'm bald.
Lie.
What?
Take it off. Let me see. You lying ass. You know about see ear there? You lie. You lie. I know. See you a lying ass. You got here. Your shit fine though.
What?
Your shit fine though.
It's fucked up, I know.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm white.
So you can't put some black into it.
No, I'm white.
So me can't get some black.
I don't like spice.
I'm talking about me inside you, feel me?
Yeah, I don't like spice.
I'm not spicy, what you talking about? We have to go.
No, I don't like a little kick.
So what you like?
White men.
So me what? You know man?
No, white.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Be a little peep, some little PP on, some little shit like this.
Just wait. BC.
Giovanni, Jamaica. Looks like you're being trapped and not on your will. Yeah. Is there a gun to your face by any chance?
What?
Get shimmy with it. Get shimmy with it.
But I put you up on a back as you up on a head, up on a missionary. You know what I mean?
What the?
Mood long, you know?
Talo. Sorry.
Okay.
Wifey. Baby.
Huh?
You look good, you know?
Huh?
You look good.
Oh, thank you. I'm only 15. Hello. Hi.
You can't see me good, right? You can't see me?
Wait, what part of the island are you from?
I'm from Jamaica, you see me? You get what I say?
What part?
Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah.
My family's from Ochi.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Just say you look so good.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. So all going on, you been my whole life. You hide.
I hide? Or no, my friend?
Yeah. That's kind.
I think her thing is scaring the people away.
What?
I think she's scaring the people away.
Yeah.
No, I'm trying to read the name. You like? Oh, you Jamaican?
Yeah, we are going with.
So you know what this means? So listen, you clock.
Whoa, Jamaica Wagwan, brother. What's going on? Did I say that right?
I say, look for real like black. What that?
Blood clot.
So what that? Shut the fuck up, nigga. What you talking about?
Me Bumble Clark.
I say, look.
Am I saying that right, bro?
I say, look.
What?
I say, look in a real life, dog.
A look?
Yeah, if I say, look in a real life.
Yeah.
It's a ugly motherfucker.
Yeah, man, that's me.
The ugly motherfucker.
Yeah, come on, man. Why you gotta be like that, dude?
You
I said
ugly.
Wagwan and everything.
In that business where you want to say what I want and what, I don't give a shit. I'll tell you some love,
You
man.
look like Abraham Lincoln and like a little bit of Wiz Khalifa, dude.
Yeah, man, no. Get the
Blood
bitches.
clot.
Get the
Pussy
bitches.
clot.
Get the O's, you mean? Get the O's. Get the O's, you
You ain't
mean?
got nobody live like that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's up?
What go on?
YBC Dooley?
Man, like, woman, you.
YBC Dooley?
See you, mama. Right, no man, I did go to belly button.
Bro, it's always be that one friend, bro. Shorty was feeling me, bro. But a stupid ass friend skipped me, bro.
Few moments later.
Hi. Oh my god.
You know, the man beat you up, mama.
Does it look like I have a black eye?
Yeah, which man punch in your eye?
My baby dad.
I'm sorry. Oh, what's that?
But no, no underage, you know. But no, no underage.
We're 18. Yeah, bitch.
Nah, pitney. Oh my God, bro. What?
Boy. Hi, gang.
Nah, lie.
What?
Nah, hold on, pan them here this still. You know them here?
Okay.
But yeah, I don't know, I'm telling you. Yo, I can't hold on for your ear.
What?
I can't hold on for your ear.
What?
Eh?
No.
Your friend over here, so me I talk.
Samantha?
Yeah, Samantha, I want to hold the ear like this, you know what I mean? Just grab your hand. You see me? Yeah.
You want to joke that her name is not Samantha?
Oh my God. See, I just call that girl name a while ago.
Nigga, I'm
You want her?
I'm a Jamaican. Why you mock my shit? Why you mock my shit for? Why you do that for? What all that for?
I'm just asking. I don't understand.
Bring your ass here. Let me show you if I tell Jamaican. Teach you patois, isn't me?
Your accent
Let me teach you
is
patois.
beautiful.
Bring your ass to Jamaica.
Your accent is beautiful.
You're Jamaican.
Yeah, you know what them say about Jamaican, nigga?
You want to eat her butt?
What? What?
That's what I just heard. I swear
You
to
never
God.
hear, no, you never hear me say that, mama. Fire upon that.
You make you so-
Me say, wait, me say, you know what them say about Jamaican, nigga? We carry that palm tree, isn't me?
Jamaican
Yeah.
nigga.
We got that palm tree, you feel me? We got that glizzy glizzy.
From the first, but Jamaican. Jamaican.
But you know, where your friend at that? Your friend at that be a madness. Where at that?
Jamaican really strong, sir. Really strong.
Okay, I
Yo.
think your accent is beautiful.
Yo, your friend at smoke?
Okay.
Yo, where there? You did that drink? What's he drinking?
No.
So why she act
What
like
are you
that?
drinking? Are you on a pill?
Mama, we
You wanna
don't,
see something
in Jamaica, we don't do drugs. None of them fuck with it. We just smoke
This
weed.
is cool.
We just smoke weed. We don't pop
You
no
wanna
pill
see
on them
something?
food and shit.
Do you want to see something?
No, I don't want to see nothing. I'm good. Me
No,
don't
no,
want
I'm
to see
gonna show
nothing.
you something. Okay?
No.
Is
Show
it
one,
not-
show one different, man.
Ready,
Me don't want to see. Me don't want to see.
No, I want to show you.
No,
I want to show you. Yes,
no.
Yes.
Me don't want to see shit. We're good.
You
We're
don't
good.
want to see my shit?
No, I'm good. Me don't want to see nothing.
Well, you're gonna see it today.
Me don't want to see nothing. Show the nick. Show your friend. Show your friend on the phone. Show her. Me
What are you
don't
gonna say? What are you gonna show?
want to see nothing. Some bullshit, man. Bitch, y'all some bullshit. Me better. Some bullshit.
What?
Oh, you can say bullshit pretty clear, huh? You can say
Yeah, let's say some
pretty
bullshit.
clear.
Yeah, let's say some bullshit.
That's
I
the
go.
bullshit can match out pretty clear. I understand that.
Canceled. Are you recording this?
What?
Are you recording?
Who recording? Hey, I'm not with that shit. Don't do that. If you're recording, don't do that.
I was asking if you were.
Why would y'all do that? That's crazy.
No, I didn't. What?
No, are you?
No! Fuck
Are
no.
you
Why?
recording?
Why? Your friend, I'm not man, you. Your friend is clearly man. Your friend, man.
What?
You quit my friend?
You're crazy. You're man. You're crazy.
You hear crazy?
Yeah, you're crazy, brother.
I'll pin it if you get it.
Yo, bro, talk to her, bro. Like, something wrong with her phone. Like, niggas, like, I don't know
No, I
what's
want to
wrong,
talk to
bro.
you. What's your name?
My name Daddy, you feel me?
One time?
My name Daddy, you feel me?
Matthew?
Daddy,
Daddy?
yeah. You say that shit
Your
good
name's
too.
not Daddy.
You say good too, but you sound, I don't know.
God fucking love you. Your name's not Daddy.
Damn, nigga, she love me, bro. Look how much time she talk. Okay, baby, I feel you.
You just told, wait, what?
I
No,
feel
you
you.
just told me your name was Daddy. What is
Oh
your
shit,
name?
she said it again. I know you love me, girl. I know you love me, girl. She called me daddy. Like, hold on, bro.
You told me your name was Daddy.
Oh shit, she said it again. Where's the ring, bro?
Oh my God, are you fucking
Where that ring at? Like, wait, let me find that ring, baby.
I don't want to get married.
Let me put that shit on your finger, girl. You called me. God damn, nigga.
I'm not ready to get married.
Where the fuck is the ring? Like, wait, give me a
Don't
minute.
find the ring. I don't
Shit.
Go find the ring.
Yo, my bro there watching too, bro. I gotta find that ring. Like, nigga, where you at?
Who's watching?
Shit. Fuck. Where the hell the ring at, bro?
Wait, who's watching?
Shit, I can't find the shit. Yo,
Wait, who's watching?
I can't find shit, nigga. Oh my god.
Twin.
Wait, why did the accent just go away?
Fuck, I'm not finding shit.
Hold the fuck up.
I'm not
Why
finding
did
shit,
the
bro.
accent just go away?
Where you talk about? Which accent gone? Don't do that, huh?
No.
Don't do that. Where you talk about? Don't do that.
Fucking English.
I'm not. What? Which English? Where you talk about? Johnny English movie. The movie you talk about?
You were just talking English, nigga. You can't play with me. The fuck?
I don't play. Me not
Be
play
real
with
with
people.
yourself.
Me not play with
You
people.
was
Yeah.
not Jamaican.
Who not Jamaican? Who not Jamaican?
You was not Jamaican.
A liar, blood clot. Don't mind, you know.
Bumba clot.
pussy rascal. I'm the mama. Don't play with me, you know.
Are you streaming?
Oh my god. How much time now guys been the same thing? No. What the fuck? No, nigga. What?
You speak English, you know Jamaican.
Me know English. Me Jamaican. Me Chanama. Okanishiwa.
No.
Okanishiwa.
You're fake.
Oh my face. Okanishiwa. Oh, correct. Kigo.
No.
Now we from fucking Moana. You can just change.
I don't know what. Me don't know what out there.
Nigga, no. What? You're trying to play with me, bitch. I'm not to be played with, bitch. No. Fuck.
Shit, you gonna smoke me like that?
You know Jamaican.
Eh?
No.
You gonna smoke me like that, shorty?
Ooh, see? I told you. Nigga, I told you. This nigga is not Jamaican. He can speak proper English. What the fuck?
What the woman talk about? If you're not Jamaican, what do I talk so? A pat on me I talk to me? Why you pan that to fire pan and batty boy thing? You wanna do it gay talking over
He's from
there.
Jamaican, but he knows English and he trying to speak Jamaican right now. He know how to speak
Bro,
proper.
this what I'm trying to do your friend. Like, shorty, look. I'm trying to do this to you, feel me? Like,
See?
yeah.
You trying to break my back?
All that shit, yeah.
Gotta go.